Mike's Right Tonight is proud to present SarcastiChat.
Okay, Kayla, I saw this video where Trump was coughing into the microphone again on Hannity, and he mutes the microphone at a certain point. He mutes the microphone so he can cough, and someone after this aired, somebody leaked the audio.
Really? I didn't hear about that. Huh.
Yeah, so
you got an exclusive here on Mike's Right Tonight.
Yeah, here's the clip. It's pretty damning. This guy's not healthy.
Well, I didn't even want to use them. You know, last time I had a big problem. They oscillated my mics when I had the one debate. We had 3 debates with Hillary, and I think the first debate.
This is the original clip here. This is where he muted it.
Yeah. Excuse me. On the first debate, they oscillated the mic, and they oscillated it very, very seriously.
So it was pretty clear. It was pretty clear that it was muted there. So
They oscillated my mics when I had the one debate. We had 3 debates with Hillary, and I think the first debate, they.
Obama. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. I can't believe Obama did this to me. Oh my God.
Yeah, anyway, Hannity, I'm fine. I'm saying, this guy's not healthy, all right? It's not great. It's pretty sick. But, the fake media is not playing that video for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah.
The fake news,
I wonder
man.
why.
This has been another fun-filled episode of SarcastiChat.